Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Elgato Stream Deck for YouTube shortcuts step by step clearly. Open the Elgato Stream Deck software on your computer. Connect your Stream Deck to your computer using the USB cable. Once the software is open, you will see a grid representing the buttons on your Stream Deck. Begin by choosing the desired profile for your YouTube shortcuts or create a new one. To create a new profile, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Profiles, then click the plus icon to add a new profile. Now, it's time to add actions to your Stream Deck for YouTube. In the action library on the right, search for Website. Drag the website action onto one of the buttons in the grid. A pop-up will appear. Here, you can enter the URL for the YouTube page you want to open. For instance, enter https://www.youtube.com/upload for quick access to the upload page. Next, you can customize the button's appearance. Click on the button you just created and select the icon section to add an image. You can upload a custom icon or choose from the default icons available. Now, let's set up shortcuts for video controls. Search for the hotkey action in the action library. Drag the hotkey action to a new button on the grid. Click on the new button and assign a hotkey for actions like starting the stream or pausing it. For example, you can set Ctrl+Shift+R to start your stream. Now, let's create a button for switching scenes if you're using streaming software. Search for and add the switch scene action to another button. Select your streaming software from the drop-down list and choose the scene you want to switch to. Continue adding actions for your preferred shortcuts, like muting your microphone or toggling your camera. You can also use the multi-action feature to combine several actions into one button. Drag the multi-action icon to a button and click to add various actions. This way, one button can perform multiple tasks at once. After you have set up all your shortcuts, it's time to test them out. Make sure your Stream Deck is connected and open your YouTube or streaming software. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.